Is your trusted PlayStation controller starting to act a little strange, maybe drifting off course or sticking in the middle of an intense game? It can definitely be frustrating when your favorite gaming accessory is not performing its best. The most direct and reliable way to send your PlayStation controller for repair is by contacting PlayStation support. They are your official go-to resource for diagnosing issues, verifying warranty coverage, and guiding you through the entire repair process, including setting up shipping. Choosing official PlayStation support ensures your controller receives attention from certified technicians who use genuine parts and specialized tools. This approach guarantees the repair is done correctly and maintains the integrity of your device, especially if it is still under warranty. Attempting repairs yourself or through unauthorized services could void your warranty and potentially cause further damage. To begin, first check your controller's warranty status, usually found on the packaging or your purchase receipt. Next, gather all necessary information, such as your controller's serial number, proof of purchase, and a clear description of the problem you are experiencing. You can then visit the official PlayStation support website or call their customer service number. They will walk you through some initial troubleshooting steps to confirm the issue and will provide detailed instructions for how to package and ship your controller to their repair center. One interesting detail about controller issues is that common problems like stick drift or button actuation failures are often due to microscopic dust particles or wear and tear on internal potentiometers and membranes. PlayStation's technicians are specifically trained to identify and address these nuanced mechanical and electronic issues. Knowing that experts are handling these precise components gives you peace of mind. By following the official repair process through PlayStation support, you are ensuring your controller is returned to peak performance, allowing you to get back to enjoying your games without any frustrating interruptions. It is a straightforward path to restoring your essential gaming equipment and maximizing your overall PlayStation experience.